Welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at a method for making money online and from home, which is simple. Anybody can do this without any skills, without any money. It can be done from anywhere in the world, and realistically once you've got this up and running, you can do this in genuinely in about 20 minutes a day. It isn't that difficult in any way, shape or form. Now on this channel and over on my website here, we're always looking at different ways to earn online, and we trial things and we test them, and essentially everything is gearing up towards bringing in a passive income, and that's what today's video is about. So let me share with you some proof of what we're going to be covering today. Then I'll share with you tools, resources and freebies and lots more if you want to go ahead and start this yourself. If you want more resources, you can go over to my website and join the members area. There's lots of stuff in there, and if you go over to the courses page, we've also got more freebies. So let me jump over here and I'll show you this method. So we'll come into here. So you see this over here, this is one of my YouTube channels. Now I have numerous channels like this one here. Now you'll notice down here, you can see this channel has had 3,000 views in the last 28 days. It's also earned $101. Yet, look along the bottom. There has been no videos put on this channel in the last 28 days. And I've been testing this out because normally I would post maybe one video every couple of weeks on this channel. But then I wanted to see, realistically, is it truly passive? Once you've done the work up front, can it become a passive income for you? And the answer is a resounding yes. You can see up here we've earned $100. Now that income there is from YouTube AdSense. Now many people think this is the only way to earn money on YouTube. It's not. I'll share with you some more examples. But if you look over here on the right hand side, you can see in the last 48 hours we've had 156 views on these different videos down here. Now if we scroll down the page here, you can see these videos here. These are, if I scroll up here, so come down, these are the top videos in the last 28 days. So you see this video here, it's had 379 views. This video here, etc. Okay, so this whole method gears around creating really simple videos on YouTube, but you don't have to be on camera, and you don't need to be on camera like I am here. You can use free tools, you can also use paid tools, and I'll share a couple of options with you. But if I come over here let me go to content, and I'll show you this really quickly. Because these videos are not long by any stretch of the imagination. You can see, look, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 13, 8, 10, what's that, 8, 9, 9, 10, 13. So these videos that I'm putting on this channel here, they're not long videos by any stretch of the imagination. But here's the cool thing. These videos on YouTube, they're earning a passive income, because as you've seen over here under analytics, this money is coming in without me doing anything. But if we scroll down the page here as well, we can see this one over here as an example, affiliate marketing with a blog. It's had 338 views. Let's have a look at this and we'll look at the details. Then I'll share with you some tools and resources for this. So you can see this 14-minute video, it's earned $142, which is great, isn't it? And we can see all of the views here predominantly coming from YouTube search. So let's click on details and we'll have a quick look at this. Now if we scroll down the page here, we can see this video here is currently ranking in position number 1 for affiliate. Oh, it's gone. Affiliate market it's gone there. Affiliate marketing blog. It's ranked in position number 1. Affiliate marketing with a blog. Again, it's ranked in position number 1. And then we've got these other search terms over here where it's ranked in different positions. But it's pretty good. So potentially all of these different search terms up here, I could be getting people typing that into YouTube, and I could be getting someone watching the video, and all of these different things here. And this is one reason why I love YouTube for earning online and working from home. You can get people watching your videos in so many different ways. Many people tell you to focus purely on search engine optimization. You don't have to, because inside of YouTube there's I was trying to remember. There's 6 different ways that you can actually get your videos to be viewed, and some of these include the homepage, the for you, the up next, and many more. Okay. Now if we scroll back up here, so this 14-minute video has earned $150, but you'll notice here, see this down here, this here is an affiliate link, this here. So it's pretty cool because people watching this video, they're interested in the topic up here, affiliate marketing with a blog, but guess what? go here and you can get a free affiliate marketing blog. And I can potentially earn a commission if they upgrade to this product at a later date. That's just one example. So one video, you know, it was put out a long time ago, probably about a year ago. Well, when was it put out? 6th of April 2020, so it was over a year ago, and yet it's still earning money passively. Look at this example here. This again was put out, this was August of last year. It's had 379 views. Let's just click on here and let's see how much that video has earned. So that video has earned $103. And if we scroll down here, we can see it's had 17 views in the last 48 hours. A lot of this is coming from YouTube search, and we've also got direct or unknown. But again, if we click on details, what do we have here? You've guessed it. Look, grab this awesome software. In this example here, this is called YT Evolution. Now again, a video I put out a long time ago. It's earning me money from YouTube, but it's earning me money from affiliate commissions as well. Now this product over here, let's go over here really quickly, and I'll show you inside of here. So you can see this is the product YT Evolution. In the last 30 days, that has earned $187. And again, I've not done anything extra for this. I just do the work up front, put it onto YouTube, and it's bringing in a passive income, and it's absolutely awesome. Now, could you imagine having a channel with hundreds of videos on there which are literally earning you a daily passive income? It's not that hard, is it? Look, a 12-minute video. You know, if you don't want to be on camera, you can record your screen. You can even use softwares. Now, there's a number of ways that you can do this, and I'll share some tools and resources with you. The first one is a free piece of software, and it's called OpenShot. Now, you can go over here to this video editor, and it's absolutely free. And this is just one, by the way. There's lots of these. This is a video editor, so you can use this to create videos, and it's essentially drag and drop. You see on here, you can drag videos in and images and things, and you can also get your videos on free stock footage websites. Another piece of software you can use, and again it's free, and I've shared this with you so many times on this channel, is called InVideo. Now over on here, I'm logged in. But inside of this website over here, there are templates that you can use. You can do text to, literally you put in the text and it will create a video for you. And you can use images, you can use videos. There's pre-made templates on here. You can see, look, there's 5,000 pre-made templates. And if I scroll down here, you can also use this for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook pages, and lots more. But you know, this software, it's not difficult to use. It's free. There are paid options with this, but you can start with, you know, the free version. So again, I'll link to this down below for you. Go ahead and have a look at this. Then you have other things like screen recorders, where it's just recording your screen. So I use a piece of software called Screencast-O-Matic, and you're just recording your screen. Those are some free resources for, you know, creating videos over on YouTube. For example, let me go back over to YouTube. In terms of affiliate products, you know, it's not difficult. You decide on a category or a niche. Once you've decided on that, you find products which you can, you know, create videos about. Whether you want to use a platform like ClickBank, whether it's Warrior Plus, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, doesn't really matter. You can find products which you can become an affiliate for in any category, and also in any niche. You can even find affiliate networks. So all you do for this is you go on Google and you type in affiliate networks, like so, and you can find hundreds of these. You've got Airwin, you've got ShareASale, you've got Commission Junction, and many, many more. And over on these platforms here, you can partner up with brands and companies, and literally they will pay you every time you do a video about them, and you have a referral link or an affiliate link in the description, and if somebody clicks on there and buys a product or a service, or you know, something you're reviewing in the video, you can earn money. You can also earn money even if you're not doing a review, and this is what I tend to focus on my channels. It's like this one here, it doesn't say product to review. I'm just sharing something with people that I use myself, and you know, how to make money with this. Now, there's many more resources you can go down when you want to look at making money on YouTube. You can go over to my website here. It's called Not Taught at School. Click on YouTube and you can go through and have a look at lots of these. Look, 5 best places to share your video, YouTube affiliate marketing, promoting your channel, making money on YouTube. You can see there's lots of resources on here. Now, I also have a paid course if you want to check that out. Again, I'll link to that down below for you. this will help you take all of this, onto another level. But you don't have to go ahead and get that. It's just something which is step by step. It walks through this whole process, as you can see on here. The system starting properly, keyword research, etc, etc. And then we've got updates down here, so I share how to get your channel monetized in 2 weeks, how to rank a video, and lots more. But look, this here is essentially how you can start earning a passive income online from work that you do today or tomorrow, and you can be earning literally months and even years down the road from you. So decide on a niche, find products to promote, create YouTube videos, and include a link down here to the affiliate products. One other thing, I've also got a free YouTube course, and again I'll link that down below for you. That walks through the basics of deciding on a niche, finding products, and I also share some different video softwares as well for you. So you can go ahead and have a look at this. But as you can see, I think you'll agree, it's straightforward, it's simple, and it really isn't that difficult. It just takes time, effort, and consistency. And now when I say consistency, I can hear many of you thinking, why haven't you been consistent putting out videos over on this channel? Well, I've been away for a couple of weeks. I've been catching up on bits. I've got videos for this channel, and I've got other projects that I'm working on also. But I also wanted to actually test this and see, can these videos and channels on YouTube be earning even if you're not active? And the answer is a resounding yes. So look, that's today's video. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.